This video shows you how to use FastMaint's planning report to email or print out a batch of work orders. If you're using the professional or web editions and just need to periodically email out work orders, you may be better off using the automatic emailing of pending work orders option, available under the System Configuration or Settings menu under Administration. You can also use the planning report to print out a batch of work orders. Though this example is done with the web edition, the interface and steps for standard and professional editions are similar. Go to the Reports tab in the main home page. If we wanted to print all work orders, including closed ones, we would choose Work Order History. Click on Planning. Here we select the current month. You can also choose a specific period. We can choose to email or print out the work orders. We can enter a company letterhead if needed. We select the work order detail template to get each work order on a separate page. Use the work order list template to get all work orders listed in a grid or table format. We can add or edit the report templates to customize them. We can also restrict work orders for specific categories, equipment, and so on. Now, run planning. You can choose to edit and close pending work orders prior to printing, or just go ahead and print them. We click OK to see the pending work orders. We can modify any of them prior to printing. Then click Quit to continue with the report. You can review the report, email it out, or print it. If you click on Print, in the Print dialog that comes up, click on the Options tab and check off Print All Linked Documents if your work order instructions have links to other documents that you also want to print out.